When the Romans came to Wales, it was a divided land with different Celtic tribes.
The Celts lived in Wales for thousands of years, and their influence can still be seen in Wales today.
The Romans were in Wales for only 400 years, and they also left behind things that we may recognise.
Soldiers came from all over the Roman Empire to fight the Celts and build the fort at Isca.
As soldiers came from many parts of the Roman Empire, they and their families had many different beliefs.
Okay, boys, quiet, please. Pay attention, sit up straight. In today's lesson, I'm going to be giving you a word, and then you're going to be writing that word in this tablet. Today's word is pons. P-O-N-S. Does anyone by any chance know the meaning of pons? Yes?
Bridge.
Well done. Now, please write that word into your tablet.
Lots of Welsh words have Roman origins.
The Romans worked hard, but they liked to relax in the baths at Isca. Romans sometimes lost their valuables in the baths, which have since been found in the drains.
Status was important to the Romans, and everybody had their place, in life and in death.
I was Laurenius. I lived a long and prosperous life with many slaves and much wealth.
My name is Marcus. I was a slave, and only 9 when I died of the plague. No one knows where I am buried.
The amphitheatre at Isca was like the Millennium Stadium. You could see it for miles. So by the time the Romans left Wales, the landscape and people had changed in ways that we can still see today.